Dear students, today we are going to start a new topic on logic gates. Logic gates are the fundamental building blocks of any digital system. It may be a complete digital processor, or it may be a memory, or a counter, or a register, whatever it is. All these can be realized by using the fundamental blocks of gates. So basically, there are two types of gates. One is called basic gates, which consists of AND gate, OR gate, as well as NOT gate. And there are derived gates, that is derived from these gates. They are NAND, NOT, NAND, NOR, exclusive, OR, and exclusive NOR gates. So these gates are known as logical gates because they are working as per certain logic. So we will see one by one. One of the gate is AND gate. So when both the inputs A and B are present, or when both the inputs A and B are 1, you are getting an output 1. So this is called the AND gate. The symbol is given as well as a table which is known as the truth table. This shows the conditions, the true conditions of the gates for different input combinations. You can see the input and output. For 0 0 1 0 0 1, the output is 0 and the output will be 1 provided if both the inputs are present. A and B are 1, the output is 1. This is called AND gate. Similarly, we are having OR gate. Either A or B, when available, you can get an output 1. That is called OR gate. You can see the output is 1 for 0 1 1 0, or when both are 1, then also you will be getting an output 1. So either one or more inputs are there, you will be getting an output for the OR gate. Similarly, there is a NOT gate. That is, whatever the things you are giving at the input, you are getting the inverse of the input at the output. If you are giving a 0, you will be getting output 1. If it is 1, it is called 0. It is also known as inverter gate. What you are giving at the input will be inverted at the output. Then derived gates are NAND gates and NOR gates. Actually, NAND stands for not AND. Okay, it is just the not operation of AND. Similarly, NOR gate is not OR. You can see that for an AND gate, the output will be 0 when both the inputs are 1. For all other cases, the output is 1. That is called the NAND gate. Then NOR gate, you can see that when both the inputs are low, you are getting the output 1. For all other cases, the output is 0. The symbol is also given here. Then these NAND gate and NOR gates are known as universal gates because by using these gates alone, you can realize all other gates. For example, we have given an OR gate. It's made with NAND gate alone. So by using 3 NAND gate, you can realize the OR function. So the output Q here is nothing but A plus B, or A or B. Similarly, you can realize an OR gate using exclusive exclusive OR gate using NAND gate. This is an exclusive OR operation. By using NAND gate, you can realize it. Then derived gates are there for the exclusive OR as well as exclusive NOR operation. So what is exclusive OR? A exclusive OR B is equal to A B bar plus A bar B. That is, you can get the output 1 when one of the input is 0 and another is 1. Then you can get the output 1. All other cases, the output is 0. So this is called A XOR B. It is, the symbol is A encircled plus B. This is the A exclusive OR B operation. So 0 0 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 1 and 1 1 0. The reverse of this, or the inverse of this, is called exclusive NOR operation, where when both the inputs are same, you can get an output. Okay. So these gates are also available as it is. So we are having the gates that is available: AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, as well as exclusive OR as well as exclusive NOR gates are available as such, and this can be connected and combined to make different functions, different systems, and all these are coming in the coming classes. Thank you.